Nobody expected these two giants to clash so fiercely. Their contrasting styles redefined women's cricket forever. Today, we dissect two modern cricket legends. Ellyse Perry, the Australian icon, stands tall. Facing her, West Indies power Hayley Matthews. Both are all-rounders, dominating bat and ball. But their journeys and impacts differ greatly. Let's explore their unique contributions to the game. Perry's batting style is famously classical and elegant. She builds innings, often anchoring Australian totals. Her Test century against England in 2017 was legendary. Perry scored an incredible 213, not out then. Matthews, conversely, brings explosive power hitting. She attacks from ball one, setting aggressive tones. Her 117 against England in 2016 T20 World Cup showed this. Their approaches highlight diverse batting philosophies. As a bowler, Perry offers relentless fast-medium pace. She targets accuracy and subtle seam movement consistently. Perry has over 300 international wickets across formats. Her 7 for 22 in the 2019 Ashes ODI was destructive. Matthews spins the ball, offering crucial off-breaks. Her variations and control often deceive top batters. Matthews claimed 4 for 24 against India in 2022 T20I. Pace versus spin, a captivating all-rounder duel. Perry's leadership is often by quiet, consistent example. Her resilience and longevity inspire teammates greatly. She's been crucial to Australia's numerous world titles, 6 T20 World Cups and 2 ODI World Cups attest. Matthews, however, embraces a more vocal captaincy role. She recently led West Indies with tactical brilliance. Her captaincy revitalized the team's competitive spirit. Both elevate their teams, albeit through different means. Perry's enduring career sets an incredibly high bar. Her consistent excellence defines an era of dominance. Matthews represents the dynamic future of the game. She embodies attacking cricket, thrilling fans worldwide. Her rise as captain signals a new West Indies era. Their contrasting paths enrich women's cricket's narrative. This diversity makes the sport truly compelling viewing. Ellyse Perry and Hayley Matthews, two distinct titans. One, a pillar of classical consistency and power. The other, a dynamic force changing the game. Their comparison reveals the sport's incredible depth. Both are irreplaceable legends of women's cricket. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.